Me and my brother are so mad right now. We ordered salad on Uber Eats, but they gave us In and Out. They gave me a 4x4 with both kinds of onions, red chopped chills, no lettuce or tomato, but they give me a double-double with spread, cut onions, spread chopped chilies, no lettuce or tomato, and an animal fry, well done without salt. And they also had the audacity to give me a large vanilla shake. Does it look like I can eat 6 damn patties? Yeah!
Bakit mo naisip na dito sa TikTok live selling may magtitinda ng kabayo? Sagutin mo ako, gusto kong makita.